Here's a great deal on a 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.